What is going on? So, got a order in from Ringside Collectibles. The Fiend and Daniel Bryan. Now, with this, something that I didn't notice before, but I've got Jeff Hardy Undertaker in this version. Now I'm not keeping the Daniel Bryan, so I'm probably gonna flip that one with the plate. I don't want it. I got this for the Fiend to go with my Fiend collection. But apparently, with these championship plates, you can put them in a championship belt. That's what I was just seeing, and I had heard it on a podcast that you could do that, but here's the only issue with that. Let me grab this thing. So on the back, it shows right here, use as championship side plates. So if you're to do this and use these as championship side plates, here's the Fiend side plate. Wouldn't that mean that A, you'd have to have the championship belt, but B, you need two. Now, in a championship belt, you're not going to have one on each side, because there's a bunch of these. I've seen Finn Balor and The Rock. Like I said, I've got Jeff Hardy and The Undertaker. So I'm only keeping the Fiend out of this, from this collection, from this set. But Daniel Bryan's eyes look vacant. But my question on this is, you're not going to put up two different opponents' championship belts, are you? I wouldn't think you would. That'd be kind of stupid. Anyway, this is a hard goods rubber jacket, and let's see how well he fits on his championship side plate. I mean, that just further proves the point. You can use this as a stand, like so. But if you're to use it as a side plate, you're gonna have a Daniel Bryan Fiend, so you're gonna have to get two of these. To get two Daniel Bryans, two Fiends, two plates. It's genius marketing, but it's kind of annoying and obnoxious. So yeah, that's my wrestling purchase. Thanks for watching.